Hello everyone, welcome to Anna's Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. So today I am here to share with you a message of motivation or talk about that how time management is possible. You know, whether you belong to any field, you are a student, you are a teacher, or you are a kid, it's equally important for everyone to manage time. Specifically, we have a lot of students who are housewives and employees and managers. They do 9 to 5 jobs and sometimes 9 to 8 jobs, and sometimes we have students who do lots of activities and they don't have time for their own selves, their own personalities. You know, my beauties, it's really important for everyone to manage some time for yourself as you deserve it. Then I started something. So when I was in this field of education and I have started my own business or the company, I can say that it was really difficult for me to manage my time as I found it pretty much, you can say, concerning thing. But with time and gradually, you know, you can't skip any single step. It's just like a kid, you know, success is not like one night game. People used to say that you will be able to achieve success in just one night. That's not the thing. It's just like you are just talking about a kid who have just born, and you are saying without crawling, without walking, the kid will be able to run. It's not possible. You have to go through with all the steps, right? To become mature, you have to go through all the steps. You have to firstly crawl, then you have to do a little bit walk, and then you'll be able to, you know, run. So it's really important for everyone to complete the steps of success. How time management is important, and of course we all know that time management is really important, but today I'm here to help you out that how can you manage your time and how it's important to manage some time for yourself also. Basically, we all have 24 hours a day, right? If I talk about myself, if I talk about my routine, so I wake up early at you can say 6 a.m. and I sleep around 2 p.m. 2 a.m. and it was really difficult and challenging for me initially, but now because I love my work and I love to, you know, do the things, do different businesses and do different things, so it's now really enjoyous moment for me if I think about the stuff like that. So first of all, I want to share my routine, and then I'm gonna just give you any tip about that, because it's really important that if you are advising other person, so firstly you have to do it by yourself, then you'll be able to give advice to the other person, right? So I get up at 6 a.m. and I do first of all, I just say thank you to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give me such a beautiful and incredible life, and to give me good breed, give me good health, to give me so many good things and so many good experiences, and for the day I really thank. And then I started my day with a lot of blessings of my parents, and yeah, then I just freshen up and I do yoga, I do meditation, and I read 2 pages of a self-grooming book, because I think when you do all of these activities early in the morning, and it require only, you can say I do 10 minutes yoga, 5 minutes meditation, and almost 15 minutes of reading, whether 2, 3, 4, 5 any pages, 15 minutes of reading, and then I go out for some walk, because early morning walk is really important as I do work by myself. So I just prepare breakfast, and then I just, after the breakfast, I have my classes and I start my classes after that. So right after my classes, I just prepare my schedule. I know what's my schedule. I have some classes and I'll have some meetings for that. So every day, just go with it. And then how I manage my time for myself. Basically, in the 24 hours from Monday to Thursday, I have zero time for myself. And if I wanted to get some time managed for myself, so I have one day, that's Friday. On Friday, I do whatever I wanted to do. And Friday is my day, so I just do a lot of good things. I do self-care. I apply something on my face, like face mask and things like that, or do something that I really like, just like I'm recording the video today. It's Friday today, so yeah, that's really important. The thing that matters a lot is you know, if it's not possible for you to spend to just manage some time in your whole day for yourself, so you can select 1 or 2 days for yourself, and in that day try to do something that you really love, because it's really important to rejuvenate yourself, to rejuvenate your energy. Because if you'll not do that, then later on you will be like shut down, out of order. It's just like when you are working on a computer or on a laptop and you are doing a lot of work over there, and after sometimes it's like boom, shut down, or you know, there's a shut up call, it please, time's up, hey, just stop using me now, I'm just out of order now. So it's just like that. Human is also like you can say need some rest, because our body need some rest. Our body need to do something that we really like to do, because it really gives us something positive, or the positive energy. Well, this video is untrimmed, so I'm not going to trim it, because I'm shooting this video after a long time, so I literally don't want to trim it, and I literally don't want to edit it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. That's what I'm trying to say. Time management, just the first key point in time management is, before starting my new day, I prepare a to-do list a day before starting my next day. So like tonight, I'll prepare a to-do list, what I have to do by tomorrow, so that I have everything sorted and I have a list of everything in an organized way. That's why every time I recommend to my students that please buy some pocket diaries, so that you can make some to-do list over there. Yeah, that's really important, because at this when you do this, your mind is organized. You have no rush to forget about something, because everything is noted down and everything is settled. That's the first step. Secondly, if you are managing even 15 minutes every day, like every day, I give myself, my iPhone storage was full, so I'm sorry for that. I'm fixing up my camera, and yeah, all sorted. Okay, so what I was talking about, the step number 1 is you need to buy a pocket or heady diary, so that you can organize your stuff or your tasks. Step number 2 is every morning read 3 positive quotations to feed your mind. You know, your mind needs some food, your thoughts need some food, just like your body needs something, so your mind, your thoughts also need something. So every single morning when you are waking up, read 3 verses of Quran, or you can say read 3 positive quotations, so that you can feed your thoughts in a positive way with positive energy. That's step number 2. Step number 3 for the time management is value the time. Value the time. Value that this time which is passing by, it will not come again. So please value it. Value your own self. The time, the day when you'll stop valuing yourself, then you will not allow anyone to waste your time. There are a lot of people in your you can say circle who love to waste your time, and you even don't know that they are wasting your time. So it's really important to eliminate those people, eradicate those people from your life who are willing wasting your time, because you know 80% of students waste their time by engaging themselves in that kind of activities that are not worthy. Save your time. Step number 3 is save your time. These seems really common and casual tips, but I firmly believe, and I suggest this to my students also, don't say I think, say I believe. It seems like you are confident enough about your thoughts, about your views, and about your perspective. That's really important. I hope that you enjoyed this video after a long time that I've shooted it. Lots of love from my side. I love to, this is basically my passion, and you know, the time management is really easy when you are doing something that you love to do. Please drop a comment in the comment section that what is your dream job and which things you love to do that you feel totally indulged and you feel really indulged in that thing while doing that. Because when I do painting or when I teach, I indulge myself into it. I don't know what is happening around and I love it. So drop a comment in the comment section that what are the things that in which you feel that you are indulged. Don't say that you are indulged in eating chocolates, okay? And give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to attend our free workshop. Don't forget to attend our free time management consultancy workshop by tomorrow on 4 p.m. on Meet. See you there. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.